animals.
Animal.
The duck. What does the duck say?
Kaka.
Yes.
Kaka.
Where's the pig?
Hmm.
Where's the pig? Yes. What does the pig say?
O-in.
Yeah. Oh, you can see two pigs?
Cat.
Okay. Where's the cat? Where's the cat? What does the cat say?
Umbrella.
Where's the cat? Oh, yeah, the cat. What does a cat say? What?
Meow, meow.
Ah, yes, meow. Where's the dog? The dog.
Go.
What does the dog say?
Go.
Woof, woof. Where's the chick?
Chick.
Okay.
Chick.
Oh, chick. You can find two chicks. What does the chick say? Chirp, 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 chirp. Can you see the lamb? Can you see the sheep? Now, can you see the sheep?
No. Không có xếp đâu.
Yes, they are the sheep on the picture. On the picture. Where's the sheep? Now, find the sheep.
Father chick.
Where's the sheep? Let's find the sheep. Where? Yes, two sheep. Okay. Can you see the birds? The birds? Can you see the bird?
Yes.
Where's the birds? Bird. Oh, bird say? Bird say, oh, la la la. Okay, goodbye everyone.
Yes.